Hi everyone, this is a message for all the anti-football people. I mean, those people behind this Machiavellic plan of Super League. Before that, I just would like to say how much I admire the love, the passion, the fight from all of us. You know, the fans, they start protesting. The pundit, they talk like it was like the end of the world. The FIFA president says even going to put new rules to stop this Machiavellic plan. The politician, Boris Johnson, you know, a lot of people being involved to stop all of that. But I've got one simple question. Why we don't have the same energy, the same passion, the same commitment to fight against the racism in football? You know why? Because it's nothing to gain. It's not money. So let's stop this hypocrisy. Let's stop using the fan, because some people, they're like, yeah, the fan, they think about, they don't even take like 5 seconds to take a picture with them. So I had enough. You know, I'm not going to blame like those owners. Yes, of course, they are businessmen. They don't care about football. They don't even watch their own team play. They don't even know their player, because what they care is about number. So Florentino Perez say the project's still on. Even if like few clubs, English club, you know, they don't want to get involved anymore because they see the impact where people were going crazy. So I don't know if they don't want to get involved because they think, no, if they were involved before, it's because they believe in this project. So we are not fooled. But anyway, Florentino Perez, a president I respect so much, is two options. Or he's going to be the biggest like fool president of the football history. Or option B is having a support of people even above us, strong people, powerful people, money people. Because I'm not screaming victory because few English clubs are out of this nonsense project. He keeps saying this project will happen. So be careful, guys. It's not over yet. But let's have the same, you know, commitment for everything in life. You know, we're talking about football. The racism is also now out of football. And about saving the environment, our planet. Because people still think it's just a movie. And I know you will like, oh, he mixed everything. You don't want to hear those things. You just want to hear my point of view about the Super League. But I say whatever I want. This project is killing the dream of every kid. From the street to where I am right now. It is killing like the football is for the poor people, you know. But now the rich people, they just take so much advantage for so many years. But this time people had enough. I had enough. Football, I understand sometimes it's a business, but it's not just a business. Those people who they think they are, to killing like they don't know nothing about football. They didn't invented the football, and now they want to do a new version of football. Hey, we are not in an NBA here. Like having like a six, like what the hell is this project? So be careful, guys. It's not over yet. But I hope in these last 72 hours, you learn things for life and not just for football. When we want to do things, we can do them. So let's stop this hypocrisy and let's stay together for every cause in life, not just football. That's my little message. Have a nice day.